Excuse me.
Okay. And then while you're drinking it, we'll let it kind of brew a little bit and go from there. Okay, thank you.
Oh, I caught the back end. What is it?
So this is, I'm doing tea leaf readings.
Okay.
And there's a tea station right over here.
Okay.
That you can get some tea and then come sit down and have some tea and talk a little bit, and then we'll read the leaves.
Okay.
Before you go.
Cool.
A minute ago I made a citrus. I thought they both wanted citrus. You know, cerebellum flatulence. I thought they both wanted citrus.
Yeah.
I wanted raspberry. Oh. And take just a whiff of this. Isn't that fabulous?
Yes.
There we go.
Thank you.
It's going to steep for a little bit. But go ahead and you can top a squat or stand around another table.
Okay.
However you feel good.
Thank you. Yes.
Do you have an answer?
No. I wish I did.
You think about it. You might come up with one. Okay. What does yours say?
Mine says, what are my current lessons to learn?
Oh.
Which this was tough. I would say consistency.
Consistency.
Yeah, I would say being consistent.
Yeah.
Then a lesson.
That is really hard to do.
Yeah.
Yeah. Especially if you are a flexible person by nature. You don't realize it catches up with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that you're all over the place. I do it all the time. What does yours say?
Mine says, am I on the right path? Career /
Well, it kind of feels like you probably are. You've done it for a while. But then again, I changed careers halfway through my life. So. Did you? What did you do? I was, believe it or not, I was a Christian minister, a teacher. I was a teacher in private school for 24 years. And now I am a tea leaves. And YouTube.
Thank you.
Pretty cool.
That is
And really, honestly, that question, I'm doing the same thing I was doing before.
Yeah.
It's just I'm not in my office. I'm sitting here and we're drinking tea and we're talking. And it's no different than what I did before. It's exactly the same in my mind.
Yeah.
But it's a lot more fun than my office. I promise.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's no snappy receptionist to go through or anything. So yeah, you know, you can switch it up. Definitely. Did you come up with a good answer? What do you worry about?
Everything.
Everything?
I'm an overthinker, yes. I mean, I try not to, but it just happens.
Do you know your Enneagram number? Have you ever done that?
No.
Oh, the Enneagram is great. It's seen a lot of times as with a personality test, you know, that you can get out there, but it has some really deep spiritual roots that nobody can figure out where it initially comes from. Everybody can trace it back in all these different cultures to a point, and then there's no more information. But there's 9 different archetypes, and you take a quiz. It's a self. That sounds great. Yeah, I'm gonna go quiz this one. Have to look it up. And what is your channel?
It's more so, self-development. It's just me telling my life and what I've been learning through life in my 20s. And travel too. I would say that as well. But just navigating my 20s.
Yeah, no, I think that's great. My youngest is 11, and she's grown up with YouTube being just an everyday thing for her. And I will find these little videos on my phone. It's so fun.
I don't see you doing as much travel. I see you staying home more.
Oh no.
Like, I'm talking like fall time.
Oh, no.
I see you staying home a little bit during the fall.
Okay.
So, maybe just think about what you're going to do then, as far as instead of travel. Maybe that's a great time to do food, because that's when everybody starts eating.
Yeah.
And they eat until last Sunday. And then now we don't eat anymore.
Yeah.
That's my advice. Gardening. You
Okay.
need to add gardening.
Okay.
Okay. Are either one of you close?
I think so.
Oh yeah. That will be just fine. Okay. I'll give that back to you. You probably should have figured
Make
out
sure
what
you
you're gonna
like,
do with
follow,
those.
subscribe, and comment for more journeys.